You think you can do it, Dixie? You got one more mow, I think, before the end of the year now. Maybe two. Yeah, maybe three. You think you can do it, Dixie? You just gotta ooze it through there. We'll say a prayer for you. Hopefully you can make it mow one more time. Your hydraulics are a little loose, a little weak, you know, but hopefully you can do it now. You're a good girl now. You can do it. You can do it. So last time I used it, I adjusted the arm on this side and made it better. But now this was the problem on this side, now it's the other side. But it's low on fluid, always low on fluid. I don't know if one of these cups are leaking. So I took the cover out, put hose clamps on there and there. So I'm gonna add some more fluid to it and then re-grease some hubs on the deck, and then I'm gonna go mow again. So come on with, hopefully Miss Dixie can do it. You gotta keep your beverages going down while you're mowing. I did a little customization update to Miss Dixie here. Now she has a custom beer holder and a camera holder and a phone holder right there. And you can actually put some extra beers in there if you need them. She got the lovely bungee strap running down, holding it all on there. That's pretty nice. Well, Miss Dixie did a good job. We got the lawn mowed again. So, still a little weak down the pumps. I don't know how to rebuild the pumps. If anybody knows how to do that, let me know. So, have a good day. I'll talk to you later. Bye.